Where are you going today? Where are you going to go? You going to go to the park?
No.
No? Shopping centre? No? Where would you go? Swimming pool?
No.
Where would you go?
Go, yeah, swimming pool.
You're going to go to the swimming pool. Okay.
No swimming
Well, no swimming pool. Okay. Is it warm today or is it cold?
pool. Cold.
It's cold, is it? I think it's going to be hot like yesterday. How's the bread? Is the bread okay?
I
Oh yeah. Okay.